I have a Cub Cadet Challenger 750 crew. Engine died on me. Lights work. Engine will turn over but will not start. Noticed my display that has gears, fuel, and speed is not lit up.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Have fuel clean. Where is the shut-off valve located?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't know.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Have you checked the fuses under the hood? See Operator's Manual page 17, attached below. https://www.cubcadet.com/csstore/Cub Cadet Catalog Asset Store/Attachment/PDF% 20 Document/Utility% 20 Vehicle/2010_4x4.pdf.
Don't see a fuse box like the one in the manual. I'm gone. Yay, we got it done. It runs, thanks.
Was it blown fuse? Thanks, the 5-star rating system to close the question and get me credit.
It was a fuse, but it didn't look like the fuse box in pic.
Okay, maybe wrong year model.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.